how to manage the subscriptions you have. Nowadays, when almost every service is paid for in the form of a subscription, it is convenient to have an overview of all these subscriptions in one place. Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. Okay. The application we need is called Subi. The application is free and you can download it from the App Store. The link will be in the video description. When the application is downloaded, open it. When the application is opened, a screen like this will await you. To add a subscription you want to follow, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. A list of applications opens. Choose the one you want. Next, a form will await you in which it is important to fill in some fields. So it is important to fill in the price you need to pay. You can also choose the currency in which you want to do it. In addition, it is important that you choose when you need to pay the next bill. Of course, the last but not the least important thing is to choose the type of subscription, monthly, weekly, or annual. When you have filled in all this, tap on the Add button located in the upper right corner. When you have returned to the home screen, you can choose how much the subscriptions cost you per week, month, or year. If we change the amount, we can change the currency in which we want the debt to be charged. Also, if we tap on the calendar in the bottom menu, we can see the date when it is necessary to pay the next bill. And that's all. This way you can track all your subscriptions. For more useful tutorials, follow our channel.